Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple crumble. Firstly, for the filling, you will need 500 grams of apples, 50 grams of sugar, either demerara or castor, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Firstly, you want to peel and chop your apples. Then to your chopped apples, you want to add your sugar, your flour and your cinnamon and give it a mix until all the apples are well coated. Then you want to put this in an oven-proof dish. My oval dish measured 27 centimetres by 19 centimetres. And you just want to put all your apples in the bottom of the dish and just push down with the back of a spoon to try and compress those apples down a little bit. This will help with the crumble later, because if we leave them loose, the crumble will fall through the apples and it won't go nice and crisp on top. Then for your crumble topping, you will need 150 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of castor sugar and 100 grams of butter. In a separate bowl, mix together your plain flour and your sugar. Then add your butter. I like to cube my butter quite small because it makes it easier to mix in. Then you want to use the tips of your fingers to push the butter into the flour sugar mix. And you want to do this until it resembles like large breadcrumbs. Then spoon this crumble mixture over the top of your apples into your dish, just making sure that it's an even coating on the top. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 45 to 55 minutes until the top is golden. And there you have it. That's how you make an apple crumble.